Now the third property, integration of bracket f of x plus gx dx is equal to integration of f of x dx plus integration of g of x dx. Means we can split integration over this addition. So here we can prove this by property first. By property first, we have d by dx of integration of f of x plus g of x dx is equal to f of x plus g of x. As we know that differentiation and integration both are the inverses of each other. So on the other hand, we find d by dx of integration of f of x dx plus integration of g of x dx is equal to d by dx of integration of f of x dx plus d by dx of integration of g of x dx. We have used here property of differentiation and we know that both are the inverses of each other. So can we write it as fx plus gx? Getting? So thus in view of property second, it follows from this 1 and 2, that integration of f of x plus g of x bracket we can write here dx is equal to integration of fx dx plus integration of g of x dx. Understood? Now the fourth property, for any real number k, integration of k into f of x dx is equal to k into integration of f of x dx. Same property we are having in the differentiation as well. Okay, so we'll prove this by property first. We have d by dx of integration of k into f of x dx is equal to, this will get cancelled, differentiation and integration sign will get cancelled, so it is equal to k into f of x. Also d by dx of k into integration of f of x dx. Now here we'll use the property of the differentiation. This integrand is the function and k is the constant, so we'll take the derivative of this, so k will come out, so this will be k into d by dx of integration of f of x dx. Getting? So this will get cancelled again, so what will have? K into f of x. So by property second, integration of k into fx dx is equal to k into integration of fx dx. Getting? So you can observe here this and this. Getting? In fifth property, the properties third and fourth can be generalized to a finite number of functions like f1, f2 till fn and the real numbers k1, k2, kn, giving integration of k1 f1x plus k2 f2x plus kn fnx dx. So that will be equal to kn into integration of f1x dx plus k2 into integration of f2 of x dx plus plus kn integration of fnx dx. Okay, so here means like differentiation, we can if there is a series, then we can split the integral sign over the series and the constant will come out like we have seen the property third and fourth. Okay, getting?